Hi everybody, just a really quick video today. I bought myself this little USB pop-up charger. This is my office desk and I thought I'd have a little charger so I can charge up my USB devices while I'm working. And this little thing's great, got a chrome finish. It's only about 50 millimeters in diameter, so it sits away quite recessed on the desk and you don't really notice it. Really simple to fit, so I think I just drilled a 44 millimeter hole. It sticks proud of the desk by probably about 30 mil, and I think the charging unit itself goes under the desk about 80 mil. So this is perfect to fit in on a desk or a countertop. It comes with a small power supply that you plug in, and then this is just going to give you access to quite a smart looking charger to charge up your devices. So just simply plug a USB device in. I think it's about 2.4 amps shared power across the two USB sockets. It's made by a company called Knightsbridge. I've used them on lots of other consumer electrical devices and I found them to be really reliable. I'll put a link in the video description so you can take a look and maybe get yourself one if you want to, but it was so simple to fit, literally just a 44 mil hole. It pushes in with a spring clip, so there's no need to do anything more than just slide it in and then literally plug that into a 13 amp power socket somewhere. Anyway, just a short video as I said. But if you want something that's inconspicuous, looks quite smart on an office desk, then I think this one's the way to go. Take care everybody, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.